You're now one of the wealthiest people on earth, one of the most successful humans on earth. Is it harder to be humble and to be able to do you feel the effect of money and power and fame in making it harder for you to sort of be wrong in your own head enough to hear out an opinion of somebody else when it disagrees with you and learn from them, those kinds of things?
Um, Surprisingly, no, and I would actually go the other way. Because I do so much of my work publicly, when I'm wrong, pretty much everybody sees it.
You get humbled.
Yeah,
Fair enough.
and when I'm wrong or it didn't turn out that way or, I mean, most of the things that I say outside, um, I'm fairly certain about, and the reason for that is because it's gonna impact somebody else, and I wanna be quite concerned about that and quite circumspect about that. For stuff that I'm reasoning about inside a meeting, a lot of things could turn out differently, and so but it doesn't ever stop me from reasoning. The way that I manage and lead, uh, I'm constantly reasoning in front of people, and even when I'm talking to you, you can kinda see me kinda
Mhm,
reasoning through things,
mhm,
and I wanna make sure that you understand what I'm saying, not because I told you,
mhm,
because I'm so humble about what I'm about to tell you.
mhm,
I kinda show you the steps that I got there,
mhm.
and then you could decide whether you believe what I said in the end. And so I'm doing that all day long in meetings with all of my employees. I'm constantly reasoning through, let me tell you how I see it. And I reason through it. It gives everybody the opportunity to intercept and say, I disagree with that part.
Mhm.
The nice thing about reasoning through things and letting people interact with it is that they don't have to disagree with your outcome. They can disagree with your reasoning steps and they could pull me in different directions and then we can reason forward. And so we're kind of, you know, collective path searching method. And it's really fantastic.
Yeah, you have this way about you of when you're explaining stuff, I can feel you actually reasoning on the spot about it with a constant open-mindedness where you could I could feel like I could steer your thinking.
Yeah.
And that's really beautiful that you've been able to maintain that after so many years of success and pain. I think sometimes
Yeah.
pain makes you closes you
Mhm.
down a bit,
Yeah.
and I think to
Yeah.
maintain
Tolerance for embarrassment, I think is
exactly, that's the tolerance I mean, that's a real thing.
Yeah.
There's many years of embarrassing yourself, even those meetings, knowing that there's people around you where you declared one idea and it was shown that that idea was wrong and be
Yeah.
able to admit that and to grow from that. That's very difficult on a human level.
Yeah. Well, they knew I was they knew that recently my first job was, cleaning toilets.